The cars these days are very hard. It's all electronic, computerized, sensors. If you don't have the proper equipment to diagnose these cars, you can never make it in this business.
Us as a repair shop facility, we'll deal with all different makes and models. It'll tell you what OEM specs are. So if you have to, let's say, put a rotor, it'll tell you what the minimum and maximum thickness of the rotor has to be.
I use ALLDATA for everything. I mean, something as simple as an oil change appointment, all the way to wiring diagrams for the technicians to help them diagnose a car, labor times, I mean everything. We use it for everything.
When you look up a vehicle, if it's a trouble code that you have, like a PO300, which is a random misfire, you can go into the OEM repair icon and it'll tell you if you have to check the cylinder leak or coil or wire or spark plug.
And information is key these days to figuring out cars, so ALLDATA, is on top of, giving the information you need.
You'll have 3 or 4 different mechanics that had the same issue and what they did to repair that code.
I mean, I've used other services, and all that I see is a lot better. They're up to date, their software's there, it's consistent, always upgrading to the cars that are coming in, and they're there. Anytime I need to call, they're there. They pick up the phone and they help us.